Let's talk about starting a business and making money online. And I am going to assume that you don't know anything about it. So it doesn't matter whether you want to make money, you have a job and you want to make money on the side, a little money, extra money, or you don't have a job and you want to build your own business. So to make money, online or offline, it is somebody else must buy something, somebody must spend something. So for you to start a business, there are three ways. The first way is to create your own products or service and develop it, which is it's not easy to do because a lot of things are involved with creating a product. The second way is to buy products and try to sell it online or offline. It doesn't matter. And again, you have to spend a lot of money upfront to buy those products and then try to sell them. The third way, which I prefer, is to leverage other people's products. For example, somebody else or another company has products and you promote those products. Every time they are sold, they give you a commission. Those companies, instead of them hiring employees, marketing employees, and try to sell products, they don't want to do that, but they want to leverage regular people like you and I to promote their products and they sell it. There is no involvement with the company. You are not an employee. They don't pay you benefits. They don't pay your taxes, but like no, they give you a commission for every product that is sold. This kind of business is called affiliate marketing, which is promoting other people's product or recommending other people's product for a commission. And as I said, every time a product is sold, you get a commission. And we actually do affiliate marketing on a daily basis without us even knowing it. For example, let's say you bought something, you bought a nice watch, and your friends ask you, where did you buy this watch? And you give them, you send them a link, you send them a website so they can go and buy it. This is how you recommend products, actually. So this is affiliate marketing. But the problem with that model is when you do it with your friends, when you send the link to your friends, you don't get a commission. But if you make it as a business, that means like you register with the company to be affiliate marketer, and every time you send a link or somebody clicks on that link, it is attributed to you. And every time somebody goes to that link and buys something, you get a commission. And with this kind of business, affiliate marketing, you don't have your own product, you don't have to buy anything. And you are not involved with customer service because people are buying it from the company, it's not from you. You are just the middleman. You recommend this product, you give them a link. Every time they click the link, they go to other company's website and they buy from them. So customer service, payment, refund, returns, and everything is dealt with the company directly. You are a middleman, you don't involve with this. The way you promote products or services in this business is all online. Maybe you can write about it, about a product that you are promoting. Maybe you make a video about it. Maybe you post text and images on social media. So just imagine that. For example, let's say you post a video or you wrote a blog post, an article about a product that you are promoting. That article will be there forever. And even if you are asleep, that article is online. Maybe a year from now, you wrote an article today, and a year from now, somebody saw that article and clicked the link and bought the product. You still get a commission. So you do the job just once, but it will stay there forever or until you take it down. But again, any business, any online business should be treated like any other business. It's not a magic pill, just you take it and you get money. No, there is work involved with that. So if you are ready to work, to put the work, it is for you. Otherwise, it's not for you. If you want to know more about this or you are interested to know more, I have a link in my bio. I just click and see it. Maybe it's for you, maybe it's not. I don't know. But good luck and check it out.